Thank you, sir. Shall I go to Honorable VC sir directly? Power, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's okay.
Okay. With the welcome note of our principal, now may I request the today's inaugurator, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle sir, to formally inaugurate the workshop and motivate us.
Dignitaries on this virtual dais, Honorable Dr. Madhavraji Patil Kinalkar Sahib, President late Digambar Rao Bindu Smarak Samiti Bhokar, Digambar Bindu College Bhokar, Dr. L.M. Wagmare, Dean Science and Technology of this university, Dr. Punjab Chauhan, Principal of this college, then Dr. N.A. Pandey, Dr. S.S. Bellale, Dr. V.C. Borkar, Mule Pandit, the invited resource persons for this workshop, teaching faculty, student, research scholars, and my friends. Digambar Bindu College Bhokar, in association with IQSSL of this university, have organized 1 week online workshop on use of MATLAB for online practicals in mathematics, or I would say that use of MATLAB for practical aspects in mathematics. So I formally declare that this 1 week online workshop is inaugurated, and I extend my best wishes for the success of this workshop. And I hope this workshop would definitely help the student as well as teachers to conduct the practicals in the MATLAB subject. I also extend my congratulations to Dr. Punjab Rao Chauhan and his team. At the same time, Dr. D.D. Pawar for taking the initiative and organizing this wonderful workshop. As we know that in today's scenario, the conventional mode of teaching learning has been greatly hampered because of this current pandemic situation. In current pandemic situation, we need to go for an blended learning. I know that the online learning is not a solution for this conventional learning, but it is a kind of supplementary inputs that you are providing it to the student during this pandemic period. And I hope this also workshop will definitely help the student to gain some knowledge, knowledge also. As we know that this MATLAB and application software, it has been widely used in many fields. This application software has potential, or this application software is being used in engineering, it is being used in social sciences, it is being used in medical sciences too. When we are designing a system, first we do the analysis, first we have a synthesis of a system. When we do the synthesis, we do the simulation, and when synthesis and simulation results are correct, then we go for implementation of the system or a design of a system. So when we go for a synthesis of a system, in the synthesis of a system, the analysis or the response of the system is given to you, and based on the response, you want to design a system or you want to synthesize a system. In such a cases, this MATLAB programming is playing a very, very important role. This MATLAB programming may be used in wide applications. As you are talking about this MATLAB programming mathematics, so I suggest organizer to have a tutorials which talk about use of MATLAB in solving the differential equations, in solving the difference equation in matrix, in linear algebra or linear programming. Because the differential equations, linear programming, linear algebra, matrices, these are the core concepts that we use in day-to-day life in mathematics and its applications in the various fields. So definitely this workshop will definitely give insight to the teachers, to the researchers, and which will help them to learn mathematics to a large extent. Along with MATLAB, I strongly recommend organizers, or I strongly recommend the students to go for free and open source softwares which are easily available. I understand I'm not against the MATLAB, but we know that for many institutions, to purchase a MATLAB is very, very difficult. If we go for a 2 models, or if we go for a 3 components or 4 component, it is costing around 12 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupees. And for many colleges, it is not an affordable solutions. Now, free and open source softwares are available, and which has a wide applications, or which has a wide acceptance all over the world. So I strongly recommend all the researchers, all the students, all the teachers should go for free and open source application softwares which are available, which will definitely give better result and which help you to improve your understanding of the subject in a long run. With these few words, once again, I congratulate uh, the team for organizing this wonderful workshop and extend my best wishes for the success of this workshop. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
पाटील साहेब, एक मला अर्जंट दुसरी मीटिंग आहे, त्यामुळे मी आपली परमिशन घेऊन लवकरच मी दुसरी मीटिंग अटेंड करतो.
Okay, doesn't matter. You are always busy person. Thanks for you being here as a inaugural chief person.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing time with us and your kind support to the college time and again. As we all know that this pandemic situation has created a ditch between the students and we teachers, but technology came in hand and we were able to overcome this problem by conducting online classes, taking online tests. But practicals and on this vast scale is a seminal event, as our principal has said in his message, in the vicinity of this university. And the coordinator of this workshop came with this idea, Dr. S.B. Chauhan sir, who has also successfully organized workshops on university syllabi for the last 2 years consecutively. He has also published some 4 books on syllabi of mathematics. I call upon Dr. S.B. Chauhan sir to introduce this workshop.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. President of late Digambara Bindu Smarak Samitis, Bhokar, Honorable Dr. Madhurao Patil Kinnalkar sir, Vice Chancellor of Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, Honorable Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle sir, the Dean of Faculty of Science and Technology of the University, Dr. L.M. Wagmare sir, convener of this workshop, Director of School of Mathematical Science of University, who is also the Director of IQAC of University, Professor Dr. D.D. Pawar sir, our principals of Dr. Punjab Chauhan sir, all the resource person and the participation of this 1 week online workshop on use of MATLAB for online practicals in mathematics. As all of us are aware, we are facing the challenge of COVID pandemic from more than 1.5 years. In this era of this causes it is necessary to adapt tools and techniques that will augment the effectiveness of this teaching learning process. MATLAB is an essential component of both practicals and skill of subject mathematics at UG BSc level. It is included as a part of curriculum in all level BSc first year, second year, and third year. In the academic year 2021, where majority of teaching has been online, all the colleges offering BSc Mathematics have tried their best to train the students in practicals and skill. In MATLAB, by using online demonstration, now that the practical and skill examination are about commence, Digambara Bindu College Bhokar, in collaboration with IQSC Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University Nanded, has taken initiative to train the students and brush up their knowledge in MATLAB by giving deep insight into the practical applications of MATLAB in online mode. Through this workshop, for this purpose, we are happy to share that we Cloud Fetch augments gathering of expert resources persons in this region. We shall have live demonstration of features in MATLAB, and it is used solving the practicals problem in mathematics. During this workshop, students are surely going to get benefited by this workshop. In addition to this, even the teacher of those colleges where currently the optional skill in MATLAB are not offered, they will also be benefited by this workshop. I hope all the participants will be delighted to have a finishing our tour of MATLAB capacities in solving complex practicals problems of mathematics during this workshop. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Take sir, mic unmute. Say take sir.
सर अनम्यूट करा माइक अनम्यूट करा
सर
ओके सर अनम्यूट करा
Rakesh sir, please unmute yourself. Rakesh sir, right now. Rakesh sir, please.
Rakesh sir.
Sir, I have.
Once again, I apologize for the inconvenience. Actually, I was muted by the host and I was unable to unmute myself. Thank you very much, Dr. S.B. Chauhan sir. The convener of this event, Dr. D.D. Pawar sir, as I mentioned earlier, is serving the university in various capacities, but at best, what I have observed about him, he is a spirited teacher at heart, and without his support, this workshop would not have been a mega event. I request him to cast his message on this workshop. Dr. D.D. Pawar sir. Dr. D.D. Pawar.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
Am I
yes.
audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Okay, sir. Respected dignitaries on this platform, respected Madhav Kinarkar sir, chairman of this institution, Dean Science and Technology, Dr. P.L.M. Wagmare sir, Principal Dr. Punjabrao Chauhan sir, and all my colleagues and friends. As we know that our university affiliated colleges, there is a lack of teachers of mathematics. We observe that many of the colleges are having either single faculty or there is no any full-time faculty. The work is going on with the help of clock hour basis teachers. So when I was discussed with the teachers from our colleges, they always talk about the issues. They haven't discussed about their problems of syllabus completion as well as completion of practicals. It is very difficult task for them. When I was talk with the Dr. Satish Chavan, he is very much interested to organize so many events in his college. Last time he also talked with me that, sir, I am interested to organize one event in our institution. So we discussed with each other and we thought that this is one of the good topic to organize a practical session. We organize the MATLAB training for the student for BSc level classes. Because during this pandemic situation, we observe that it is very, very difficult task for the teachers as well as student also. In the teaching learning process, all these things are hampered. Nowadays, we observe that everything is going on with the help of online platform, but after some years, we will observe the effects, drawbacks of this kind of 2-3 years. Okay, but there is no any other alternative. That's why process must go on. So we tried to give our complete devotion for the student. That's why we thought that such kind of workshop we will organize, and it will be definitely benefit for our student. And we already observed that many of the teachers as well as many of the students appreciated and accepted this workshop. They have fully participated in this workshop, and I am happy to inform you that more than 1,000 students already registered, and some of them are in pipeline. We are trying to accommodate all the participants in this workshop. And this kind of workshop or this kind of activities is very much important nowadays because of lack of faculty as well as because of this pandemic situation. Also, I really appreciate the efforts taken by this college, Digambara Bindu Mahavidyalaya. Our energetic principal, young and dynamic principal, together with his science, young and energetic team of science faculty, they have organized this workshop. So as an IQAC director, I also express my thanks to the organizing team, and I best luck all of them. And I stop here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for all your kind support. And we expect some more sharing of academia and resources with you in future. The specialty of this 1 week workshop is that we have a galaxy of intellectuals in mathematics to guide and motivate us on the path of excellence. One of Dr. L.M. Wagmare, sir, Dean, Faculty of Science. Let me introduce him to you. Dr. Wagmare, sir, had a humble beginning. His primary education started in a small village in Kalamnuri Tahsil. But his sincere efforts, his father's under-resourced father's vision and hope take him to Science College Nanded, and with his efforts he enabled to get through his BE in instrumentation from SGGS College Nanded. He was fortunate to get an opportunity to serve dedication. His quest for best took him to IIT Roorkee for his PhD. He has served as an assistant professor, the head of Department of Instrumentation Department, and board member, director of the society, and right now he is Dean of Science Faculty. In the tenure of his professorship, In SDGs, he has huge contribution in teaching, research, and administration. With this brief introduction of Dr. Wagmare, may I request him to have a dialogue with our students. Dr. Wagmare, sir, please.
Good morning, Patil sir. Thank you, sir. We are in the inaugural function of 1 week workshop on use of mathematics for practicals in use of MATLAB for the practicals in mathematics. This workshop is jointly organized by the Department of Mathematics and IQAC, Digambara Bindu College, Bhokar, in collaboration with the IQAC SRT, Marathwada University, Nanded. All the dignitaries on the virtual dais, Honorable Dr. Madhav Kinakar Sahib, President of the Educational Society and this particular college, the inaugurator of the today's program, Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of this particular university, Honorable Principal of this college, Dr. Punjab Rao Chavan sir, Dr. D.D. Pawar sir, BOS Chairman, Director of the School of Mathematical Sciences and Institutional Coordinator of IQAC NAC of this university, Dr. A.B. Chavan sir, Dr. S.B. Chavan sir, Mr. P.V. Professor, other resource persons, and those who are and the students, faculty, research scholars, those who have joined this workshop. I really appreciate and congratulate for the young faculty members, the very proactive faculty members, and the principal of this college. They are organizing different activity, unique activity, with the permission, with the support, with the encouragement from the management side. This workshop, I will say, it is a unique activity of its own kind. It can be a trend in future. I will say that it should be a trend in future, and I will allocate this concept in the different colleges, in the different subjects under the Faculty of Science and Technology to take this concept through. We all know that during this pandemic situation, our time, it has been a challenge to all of us to conduct the practicals, to enhance the involvement of students in the practicals in the laboratory. Any subject under the Faculty of Science and Technology cannot be understood, cannot be have the insight without the conduct of practical, without the knowledge of the practical concepts in that particular subject. But it is a challenge as on today. So there are many issues because of this situation. Not only conducting the practical, but also conducting the theory classes is also a big, major issue. But we can treat this as an opportunity, and we need to work upon it. Like this workshop, we can have the similar kind of concept for conducting the theory classes for across the university affiliated colleges. So it is not then it will help the students to get the subject, to get the chapter covered, which is not covered at their organization, or somehow they have missed it. This workshop is dealing with the practical conduct of practicals in mathematics, particularly for the undergraduate students, BSc Mathematics. We have a time, we can think on the similar line for the postgraduate courses also. Honorable Vice Chancellor of this university, Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle sir, has rightly mentioned the importance of MATLAB, importance of open sources in the research. MATLAB is always used for analysis purpose of the concept developed. Unfortunately, the another side of the MATLAB is that we don't get into the subject. We implement the concept by using the direct instructions. For example, if you want to have some kind of multiplication of complex number, we can get the multiplication by using a single instruction. So that is so student will not get what is happening behind this instruction. it is also necessary, very much necessary to understand the basic concept before using the MATLAB. Or we can write a program using the simple instructions of the MATLAB to implement the concept instead of using the direct tools given in the MATLAB. We should not forget that MATLAB is a mathematical tool which helps us to implement the concept we devise, concept we carry out, concept we develop, to see the performance of it. But MATLAB will not help to develop the concept. It will help us to test the concept. It will help us to analyze the concept. This difference we need to bring to the notice of the student, so that the students will be happy to learn what is happening behind the MATLAB. So similar kind of freewares are available. Like Scilab is one of the most popular, which is advocated by the IIT Mumbai also. They are working a lot on this one. So we can work on the different freeware softwares available in line with the MATLAB. But MATLAB is also a unique software. We need to go into it, the details of it. Students need to have the practice over it. With these few words, I again congratulate the Dr. Panjabraj Chavan sir and his team members for organizing this event, and I also congratulate and express my sincere thanks to the president of this function for permitting us to carry out this kind of joint activity, individual activity, and guiding the faculty members of the institute. I personally realized that the faculty members of this, particularly under the Faculty of Science and Technology of this college, are very active, very dynamic. They are always looking for do something differently, and the support of management, the support of principal, the support of university, they will do the great job for the college. We, as a part of university, are always with them. We will take the initiatives as per their requirement. We'll work at the university level to get the approvals if required from the university side. With these 2 words, again, I express my sincere thanks for inviting me, for giving me an opportunity to be part of this great event. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for all your well wishes and good words. Now it is time for the much awaited intellectual feast. That is the presidential address by our President Dr. Madhavrao Patil Kinalkar sir. Let me tell the gathering that he is a doctor in medicine, but as this is a program on mathematics, an introduction of workshop of mathematics, he has taken all information about what is MATLAB and what is its connection with mathematics practicals. He is very much particular about these things, and that motivates us in quest of perfection. May I request Dr. Madhavrao Patil Kinalkar sir to cast his presidential address.
Good morning, everybody. It's a great pleasure for me to have some presidential address of this inaugural function. One who has inaugurated the Honorable Dr. Uddhav Bhosle ji, who is the Vice Chancellor, SRT Marathwada University, Nanded, who has just inaugurated this workshop, online practical in mathematics use of MAT-LB. Just now, who has address as a chief guest, Dr. L.M. Wagmare sir. He is the Dean Faculty of Science, SRT Marathwada University, Nanded. Our principal, Panjab Chavan, the man behind all these online programs which has been recently been organized in national, international, as well as at university and college level programs. He has taken a lot of initiative into this. Without his guidance and his initiative, such programs would have never been possible. Then who took the very keen interest to organize this function, Dr. S.B. Chavan, who is the course coordinator, assistant professor, and the head department of mathematics in our college. Then our co-convener, Mr. A.B. Chavan, who is the IQAC coordinator at Digambara Bindu College, Bhokar. The convener of this program is Dr. D.D. Pawar. He is the BOS chairman, director, international IQAC, NAC, SRT Medical, SRT Marathwada University, Nanded. The resource persons for this 1 week online workshop available are the Dr. N.A. Pandey, Dr. S.S. Belade, Dr. V.C. Borkar, Dr. Y.M. Mule, and Dr. B.B. Pandit. I am very much thankful at the outset. This use of MATLB for online practicals in mathematics, this online workshop has been inaugurated by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle. He could find out some time for us to inaugurate this function and to give a status to this, I would say, to this online workshop program organized by our college. And he is always kind enough to attend our all such programs, online programs, which we try to organize with the help of our staff and our principals initiative. I remember there are so many times he attended and he inaugurated so many such workshops, online workshops. The chief guest, Dr. L.M. Wagmare, is a Dean Faculty of Science who have extended help to us to organize such type of the workshops. And I'm thankful to him also. And as well as the resource persons who are going to contribute their valuable inputs into this online workshop program, the initiative taken by of our college. Actually, this whole concept is totally new for me. At least as I am not a student of the mathematics itself. So to start with, when I was been told to attend the program, this inaugural function as a chairperson, so I was totally unaware of what is the MATLAB and all that. So I tried to know, and they have told me that the MATLAB is a programming platform designed specifically for the engineers and the scientists to analyze and design systems and products that transform our world. The heart of the MATLAB is the MATLAB language, a matrix-based language allowing the most natural expression of the computational mathematics. Even I was also been told that what are the uses of the MATLAB, that to analyze the data, to develop the algorithms, create models and applications. And the users of the MATLAB was been told to me that the millions of engineers and the scientists worldwide use the MATLAB for a range of applications in industry and academia, including deep learning and the machine learnings, signal processing and communications, image and video processing, control systems, test and measurement, computational finance, and the computational biology. As the MATLAB is designed for a way to think and to work you do, so learning is accessible whether you are a novice or an expert. The Help Center is always available to guide you with robust documentation, community answers, and the how-to videos. Additionally, the online interactive training is a great way to get started. This is somewhat the information which was been fed to me about this MATLAB process and all that. As I have keenly listening to the address of the Vice Chancellor as well as the Dr. Wagmare and other Pawar sir and all that the need of this such type of the seminars or the workshops is very much necessary during this pandemic. As we all know that we are all are facing for last 16 to 17 months the pandemic situation wherein everything is been hard, everything been paralyzed, majority in all sections of the life. Let it be I would say the education, the trade, and the production, and everything of the of our life in the as such. So it is severely affected the whole programming programs of our day-to-day life, and so is the education is also been hampered in this situation. We are not able to conduct the classes. We are not able to give the physical learning and teaching in the physical presence. So there are a lot many difficulties the educational institutions are facing all across, and as usual as the students are also facing all these problems. We don't know how much longer such situation will be there. So, but the learning process or the teaching process cannot be stayed I cannot be kept at halt. We have to use the newer and newer devices or the application of the technologies which has been evolved so far to continue our teaching and learning process. So in that effort, we probably all major institutions or even the universities have taken the other mode of teaching and as well as the learning. Even all those so many industry people or the so many technocrats or so many employees in so many big companies are have taken an approach to work from home. It is the same way that the learning from home. This one can say like this. These all online workshops are designed in that sense. So this learning process, we have to get acquainted. Even after the pandemic situation will be over, or before the pandemic situation, also there is an online teaching program of the various experts, where been organized by institutions was been in place. Now this also can be probably in the future also, even the pandemic situation will be over, to get a more and more knowledge from a distance places and distant experts from different institutions. The students will be benefited with such type of the online workshop. I feel so. That's why in this particular situation, I should appreciate our college and college principals and his all science faculty and other faculty teams also. They have pioneered themselves to take a initiative in such a rather online workshops and all that. As our principal has rightly said that we have arranged so many such type of the online courses or online workshops in different faculties, like in the history. Recently, we have had a 1 month resource persons expert views on this. I think what I would say that Murti Kala and all that. And I also been told, and I have participated in so many activities of such online program. So I appreciate their efforts and I congratulate all of them, of our college staff as well as the principal and then all the, especially the science faculty people have taken a very large extent the initiative in this regard. I should appreciate even the LM Wagmare's association with our such type of the endeavors. He has extended help from the university also. I have already mentioned that the Honorable Uddhavji Bhosle has always helped us in this regard, to have more and more initiative in such type of the endeavors. The college has already been taken and will definitely will take with his encouragement further initiatives in such type of the arranging the programs and all that. I definitely looking forward that more number of the students who definitely will be get benefited with such type of the initiatives, online workshops, the use of MATLAB, online practical in mathematics when the physical learning is not possible, that the practicals are the very distant issue. Let us hope that the pandemic situation will go over soon, and even after that also, for the experts guidance, we need such type of the online programs, online workshop for the more valuable inputs. Our college students would definitely will get this arranged by arranging such type of the programs. I again thank you all the participants. I again thank you Dr. Yane Pandey, who has given assured us to participate into the as a valuable resourceful person. SS Bellale is also is going to participate and give his all expert advice on this issue. Dr. VC Borkar, Dr. YM Mule, Dr. BB Pandit, they all are going to be give you their valued opinions on the on these particular issues. So again, I'm thankful to everybody and my best wishes to this program for the 1 week workshop on this MATLAB online practical mathematics. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now we are in the concluding part of this inaugural function. May I request Dr. Arvind Chavan, sir, co-convener of this event, to cast vote of thanks. Dr. Arvind Chavan, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Dear friend, I'm here to propose the vote of thanks. Actually, our president has already proposed the vote of thanks from his in his presidential address. But formally, I here proposing the vote of thanks.
अरविंद आवाज येत नाही तुझा.
Now, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir. I am from the Department of Mathematics, Digambara Bindu Arts, Commerce and Science College. First of all, I principal, I thanks the Honorable Vice Chancellor of our parent university, University Nanded, Dr. Uday Bhosle, sir, for giving his valuable time from his live, his busy schedule. Also, thanks our patron, president of this event and president of LBDS Smarak Samiti Bhokar and ex-minister government of Maharashtra, Dr. Madhavrao Patil Kinakar, sir, for his valuable time. Also, thanks to chief guest of this event, Dr. Professor L.M. Wagmare, sir, who is a Dean Faculty of Science at our Pan University, for giving his valuable time for this online 1 week workshop. Also, thanks to the convener of this event, Dr. D.D. Pawar, sir, course coordinator, Dr. Satish Chavan, sir, organizing secretary, Dr. Mr. Prashant Taki, sir, all the resource person who are who will be give their valuable time for all this 5-day session. Dr. N.A. Pandey, sir, then Bellale, sir, Borkar, sir, Mule, sir, and Pandit, sir, who will be took their session on the scheduled date and time. Faculty of our institution, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and the participant from the affiliated colleges and student participant. I thanks to one and all. With this, I conclude my words here, and one announcement for the participant that the first session for this 1 week online workshop on use of MATLAB for online practicals in mathematics will be scheduled at 1 o'clock sharp. So we have a break of 15 minutes and we will be resumed at 1 o'clock sharp for the first session of this 1 week online workshop. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. The session is over to you, Prashant Taki, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We will have a session at 1 o'clock.
End the meeting now, please.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank
The
you, sir.
announcement has been made, sir, that N.A.
Thank you, sir.
Pandey sir's
Thank you,
session
sir.
1 o'clock.
धन्यवाद सर.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.